Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's Kevin. I'm from St. Louis. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I used to sell video games and stuff. Earlier last year, I started selling everything. Well, late last year. Well, early last year. I want to say about May, June, something like that. I started selling everything. And then after watching, these pickers that pick everywhere. Like American Pickers, part-time pickers with Matt, Garage Flips, and Cincinnati Picker and all them. And the biggest one of them all, the picking show that I watched, is American Pickers. Not American Pickers. What's the name of that damn show? Where they pick the back rows of America. Yeah, that show. Whatever the name of it is, I can't think of it right now. I done said it 4 times on my other videos. I can't remember it now because I'm old. Yeah. But anyway, they pick the back roads of America. You know what I'm saying? But I pick in the hood because we pick in the hood too. Yeah. They gotta know we pick in the hood too, y'all. Anyway, I just called you because it's a what found video. You know what I'm saying? What I found today video. It's just a couple of items that I found today. And I'm just bringing out the ones that's worth the most money. But I did find more. But like I said, it's a what found video today about what I found. Okay, first thing I found was this. You all know what that is? Y'all too young to know about that. Avon, they used to make, see that say Avon Cadillac? Avon used to make like horses, cars, stuff like that with their cologne in them. You know what I'm saying? All kind of stuff with their cologne, birds. But this one right here is a gold Cadillac. You see how much I paid for that? $249. Yeah, on eBay it ain't selling for that much. It's selling for $12.95 or whatever. But I paid $249 for it. It's a gold Cadillac in there. But anyway, I found that today. That's one of the cheapest items that I found. Okay. I seen Matt on a part-time picker sell one of these before. And I didn't think that was worth no money. But it's a whole kids Black & Decker tool kit. You see how much that costs? $2.99. Just selling for $29 on eBay. All these tools. It's got a hat in there. It's got some safety glasses, stuff like that. Yeah, $29. I paid $2.99 for it. Money. I know y'all don't care. Y'all rolling in the dough. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not. I'm trying to get more dough to roll in. You all just satisfied with that little dough you got? I'm trying to get more dough. Okay, there's something else I found. I didn't know they made this. See what that is?
Main aisle over by Road.
See what that say? It's a little compact.
What's
See that
going
little
on?
lipstick thing? It's a recorder.
Hold on.
This little girl's got a little compact
Yeah, I got 3.
with a recorder in it. And they sneak around and record you while you're talking to them. Little girl talk. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but this selling for $29 on eBay, y'all. $29. I paid $2.99 for it. It's brand new in the box, never opened. I paid $2.99. You know what I'm saying? So regardless, they can tell all these secrets they want to tell. I don't care. I paid $2.99. I like buying puzzles too if they sealed. Because a whole lot of puzzles are worth, certain brands are worth money. A whole lot of money. Certain brands are. But I've never seen this brand right here before. Shit, I can't even say the name. I've never seen a brand like this before. But this is a puzzle. It's sealed brand new in the box. This selling for $34 on eBay. I paid $1.99 for it. But the problem with puzzles, if it's an open box, I don't buy them. Because you don't know if parts, you don't know if parts are missing. Some people buy them and they count the parts. I'm not sitting there counting no 1,000-part puzzle pieces. What the hell? I don't do that. But if it's a puzzle that I can't forget the name brands of these puzzles that's worth like $50, $60, $70. I forgot the name of them. But anyway, if it's one of them, I'm gonna sit down and count them. You know what I'm saying? Because all these places want for these puzzles $1.99. Some of them want $1. So if I can remember the name of that puzzle, I'll let you guys know. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm gonna start looking for these because this worth $39 right here. Let me see what else I got. I got one more item that I brought on the truck today to show you guys. The rest of that stuff, you know, $9.99. I paid 75 cents for something. You suck. Hold on a minute, y'all. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I dropped something. But look. The other stuff I paid 75 cents, 49 cents. It's probably worth $9 and something. You know, I'm not worried about that stuff. I'm telling you. This is the most expensive stuff I bought today. This book right here. See this? This portfolio, this kids drawing book. You can draw. You can put. This got stickers in it, and they can put little dresses on. Little stencils, stuff like that. You know, it's just like I paid $1.99 for this. Going for $24. I put it on eBay. I'm gonna put it on eBay for about $27 with free shipping. You know, that's about $2 too. That's a medium mail. I'm gonna put it in medium mail because it's a damn book. But anyway, y'all, it's just a what I found video. You know, briefly, just to put something on eBay. I mean, put something on YouTube. But you know, just like sometimes I talk to you all about different things. You know, I'm gonna say something about, you know, like the coronavirus, whatever it's called. You know, stop putting the mask on. Do research. I was a fireman for 25 years. Do research and find out the mask you're supposed to use. Them little thin painter masks ain't gonna do nothing for no flu, for no cold or nothing. They don't filter that much. So if I see you, I feel like every time I see one of those masks on, I feel like yanking it off. They don't work. You gotta get the M35, whatever it's called. I used to know the name of those masks. You gotta get those. The painters use and stuff like that. Not the one with the big breathers on them, but they just like the one you guys using now, except for they're a little thicker and they cost a little more. But stop using those regular little filter masks that don't do nothing. Just a regular cheap mask. Those masks don't stop no kind of cold. So please stop it. And you know, if you get this virus, you know, and you older, don't go to the doctor. Don't go to your doctor. You're gonna spread it. Call somebody. Have somebody try to get you that test over there. What they need to do is open up places where people can go to get tested. Not going to no hospital because you don't want to spread it to the health workers, but you want to go to a hospital, a meeting place like say they open up a rec hall or something like that. You can go there and get tested. You know, something like that. They need to have a place where you can go to get tested without endangering health workers' lives and stuff. Oh, because if they sick, you can't get no help at the hospital. You know what I'm saying? So if you're old and you got those symptoms, you know, try to have somebody call City Hall or somewhere like that to see if they have or the fire department, see if they have a place set up where you can go get tested. You know, and these tests are not out here. You know, people can say what they want to say. You know, I know I probably got some people on there that's on here that's Trump people, but they can pick Trump lying and stuff like that about, you know, all these testers out there. They not out here. They not. So you guys think for yourself, do some research, and find out. Go on government websites because the government websites still telling the truth, you know, about different stuff. So go on there and find out where you're supposed to go to get tested. Don't listen to nobody else. Do your own research and find out stuff for yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way to do it. You can't believe what people say. You know, people got their own agenda and stuff like that. So do your own research Even if somebody that you trust say something, try to do your own research, because people do give people the wrong information, even though they don't mean to. They do though. So find out for yourself, what's going on and what can you do. But anyway, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But subscribe though, whether you like it or don't like it. Leave a comment down there and tell me what I've been doing wrong, and I'll take it and run with it, and try to do stuff right. You know what I'm saying? Because there's some experts out there. But thumbs up, y'all. Give me that thumbs up. But anyway, I'll see y'all later. I just want y'all to know we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.